What is up, you guys? Shauna here with another wig review for you by the company Yolova. And I know you guys recognize this box because this is my second wig review for this company. And before we get into the wig, let's go ahead and open up the box because you know they always love to send some extra goodies with the wig. So they gave me some lashes, wig caps, a Yolova head wrap so you can lay them edges down and make that lace melt. And also they gave me a elastic Yolova band if you want to use that to lay your wig down as well. And this one has Velcro on it, which helps if you don't want to, you know, tie the knot in the back, because sometimes that gets kind of hard. This is a little bit easier to where all you got to do is just adjust it with the Velcro and you are good to go to make that lace melt. Alrighty, and what else we got in this box? Just the thank you card that comes in here. Now for the wig. It comes in this satin bag. The wig that I got this time, you guys, is 24 inches. The density is 180. It's a Jerry curly wig. And this is what the wig looks like coming straight out of the pack. Man, these colors. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Okay, let me take the net off, you guys. Look at this wig. And I got a cap size small. And this is a 13x4 lace frontal. It has a natural hairline. It's transparent lace. This is what the inside of the cap looks like, you guys. The knots are slightly bleached. So if you want to bleach the knots, you can. This time I'm not going to bleach the knots. I'm going to just add some makeup to the inside of the cap, and I'll let that be it. It has combs on the side, one in the middle, one at the bottom. It's a breathable cap. And it has baby hairs. And this is what the lace looks like. Let me back up some because my lighting is taken from it. And this is what the lace looks like. So yeah, you guys, we're going to install this wig. It is soft too. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh my goodness. Y'all know most of my work I like to do on my mannequin head. So I'm going to go ahead and put my wig cap on, and then I'm gonna head over to my mannequin head with my wig and go ahead and cut the lace. I think this time I'm gonna cut the lace on my mannequin head and then install it, but I'll go ahead and do a lot of the work on my mannequin head, and then we're gonna install and see what this thing is looking like, y'all. Alrighty, you guys, so now that I'm done playing around with my wig, it is now time for the install of the wig and for me to go ahead and style it. How I'm going to style it for this video, I already have my ball cap method done, you guys. Whenever you're putting wigs on, you want to make sure that you put alcohol across your forehead and also some type of skin protectant, because you don't want those unwanted issues once you go to take that wig off. Even though some people can tolerate the glue, it can still start to eat at your skin if you don't properly put the alcohol and the skin protectant on. So I do that before my install. I'm going to be using my Ghost Bond because I do want to wear this wig for a couple of days. I typically don't use this because it irritates my skin, but I can at least go 3 days before it starts to actually start irritating my skin. So this is what I'm using today. And if you guys want to see how I do my ball cap method, just leave it in the comment section and I'll do a separate video on how I do my ball cap method for my wigs. All right, you guys, so that is it for this look. I must say that I do like that wet and wavy look, but when it's dry, I love that look as well. This hair is very soft, easy to maintain, minimal shedding after I cut the lace off the side of the ears. But there isn't really much I can say about this wig other than the colors, you guys, is so flattering. I mean, if you like that honey blonde and that brown look, this is definitely the wig. And just throughout, I love the highlights. I love the length of the hair. Y'all know I love me some long hair. And the install was beginner friendly. I'm telling you, these wig companies are now making these wigs to where anybody can put a wig on and make it look bomb.com. So if you are looking for a wig and something easy, affordable, I also have a discount code MTT for 20% off. If you guys would like this unit, I will also leave the link for this unit down below, and also the link for the website of Yolova down below, and everything about this wig will be in the information description below as well. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see like the length of this wig, because I know sitting down you really can't tell what it looks like. If you guys have any questions or comments for me, you know to leave them for me down below. And as always, don't forget to slay them edges.